Hello again, it's spring in Norway and it's time for some new upgrades on the car, or at least changes. As you can see, peeking through here, I've installed the new baby seats or child seats in the car. And I chose a Recaro one, which looks absolutely awesome. And it also matches the kind of red and black theme I have going on here, with some red accents on the seats, plus the new red seat belts. I'm almost jealous of how cool this Recaro seat looks compared to the OEM leather seats. So now I'm just gonna show you how to put it in and how it works, and we're gonna take a small trip with the whole family and go to a autocross event and do some errands. The new seat is here. I have two of the same ones, since the youngest one is finally old enough to be forward facing now. It's the Recaro Milano. It's one of the best and safest seats without Isofix. So far the kids love them, and I think they both look and function really well. So to put it in, you slide in the back first, and then it fits reasonably well in this bottom section here. I've taken out the seat underneath here to make sure that I don't get any pressure marks or anything. And the only difference between this and this seat is that I lowered the back a little bit on this, so it fits perfect for my smallest kid. Then you just slide through the belt here and here. And the only problem, or the only thing that's not perfect, I think, is that the buckle is not right here, but it's a little bit back. So you have to slide it through first and then kind of squeeze it in. But just a little thing of habit. Also, if you take it away from the bracket on the back seat there, it slides easier in. So then we have two Recaro Milano kid seats. And now the kids are actually big enough to get in themselves, which is super nice. And the tricky part is that you have to kind of put the bottom part of the belt into this section here, and then go a little bit back to put in the actual buckle. And then we tighten it and pull it forwards. And then he has the seat belt on perfectly. There we go. All good? All right, perfect. All ready to go. Alright, first try with the new seats in the car done. Is it approved? He is sleeping. This car lulls kids to sleep with the gearbox and engine sound. It's also nice that the kids can get out themselves. Little review of the seat. It's a little bit fiddly to get the clips in, because the belt needs to go in here to and then back to get to the clips. But besides that, they look amazing. They feel super nice. Kids think they're super comfortable. So I would definitely recommend these seats. Alright, hope this helps. See you next time.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.